Good evening, students. How are you today all? I hope you all are safe and healthy by our God's grace. Dear students, in our last class we have completed exercise 1.1. Okay. Today we are going to start exercise 1.2. Okay. Before we see the exercise, let's see about factor. Okay. I am already told you what is about factor. Okay. Let's see now. Once again I recall you. Okay. So what is factor? A factor is a number that divides the given number exactly. Okay. A factor is a number that divides the given number exactly. For example, number 6. Okay. We take the number 6. Okay. What is the factor of the number 6? 2 3s are 6. Okay. And also 1 6 is 6. Okay. Here, what are the factors of the given number? 2, 3 and 6. Okay. And 1. Okay. So can you understand this? Okay, what is factor? Okay, let's see now common factor. Okay, so now we are going to see common factor. Okay, so here we are going to compare two numbers. Okay, and its factors. Okay, two numbers and its factors. We can find the highest common factor. Okay, HCF. Okay, highest common factor HCF. Okay, now let's see how can we find this. First, we see the definition of highest common factor. Of two numbers is the largest factor that is common to both of them. Okay, so we compare two numbers. Okay, so now we are going to compare the numbers after we find the largest factors on common to both of them. So the highest common factor of the number x and y can be written as HCF of x comma y. X comma y, it is nothing but it's a number. We take the two numbers. Okay, so next see one example. Find the HCF of the number 40 and 56 by division method. Okay, so we know division method. How can we put this? Okay, see, first we take the HCF. So first we take the number 40. Okay, the 40 comes in two tables, so 22s are 40. So next again that number, okay, again this number comes in again two tables, so 10 2s are 20. So next the 10 also comes in two table, 5 2s are 10. The 5 comes in 5 table. Okay, so fifth table, so we take the number 5. 1 5 is 5. Okay, finally we get the number 1. Okay, go to the next number 56. Okay, so 56 take that two table. 28 into 2 we get number 56. Again 28 comes in two table. 14 2s are 28. Again 7 2s are 14. 7 comes in 7th table. So 1 7 is 7. Okay, so this one method. Okay, so enough. See, now we are going to find the prime factorization of number 40. So take the prime numbers. Okay, here we take only the prime numbers. Okay, do you know the prime numbers? I already told you what are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, take the factors and write like this. And then second one, 56, prime factorization of number 56, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, so here common numbers are from the both. Okay, here circle 2, so this 2 and this 2. Okay, so here we take the common factors are the both 2 we take 1 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here 8 is a HCF, highest common factor. Okay, can you understand this question? Yes. Okay, so for HCF we take the number separately and put the division method like that. Okay, so let's see, now go to the exercise 1.2 now. Okay, okay, see exercise 1.2, question number 3. Find the HCF of each set of the numbers using prime factorization method. Okay, so first question, 18 comma 24, very simple and easy. So first we take that and division method. Okay, so 18 comes in two tables, so 9 2s are 18. Next 9 comes in three tables, 3 3s are 9. And 1 3 is 3. Okay, so next number 24, 12 2s are 24. Next 6 2s are 12 and 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Okay, so this division method you need to have a practice. Okay, so practice well like the division method. Okay, put the division method. Okay, so go to next. Take and write the prime factorization of number 18, 2 into 3 into 3. So okay, next take the prime factorization of number 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so now compare the both prime factors. Okay, so mark this. Okay, so common numbers only circle like this. Okay, here 3 having, here also have 3. So these numbers are the common factors. So I am take 1 2 and then 1 3. Okay, so here finally we get 2 3s are 6. This 6 is the HCF of number 18 comma 24. Okay, can you understand? Very important question, mark it. Okay, write down in your classwork. Okay, go to the next question, second one, 51 comma 85. Okay, the 51, number 51 comes in 3 table. Okay, 1 3 is 3, balance 2, take 21. Okay, so here you see this, how can we find this, like 51. Okay, 51. See this, I divide the number by 3. Okay, 1 3 is 3. Okay, so here 1 3 is 3, balance 2 having, so the 2 we take this number in 21. Okay, so again divide the number in 3 tables. So how many times comes? 7 3s are 21. Okay, so finally we get the number 17. Okay, can you understand this? Okay, so next 117 is 17. Okay, the 17 is a prime number, so it comes in the 17th table. Okay, go to the number question, number 85. Okay, 85 comes in 5th table, so again this number also comes in 17 times. 17 into 5 we get numbers 85. Okay, so next 117 is 17. Okay, can you understand? Okay, go to the prime factorization of number 51 and 85. 3 into 17, 15 into 5 into 17. Okay, 17 is a common factor. Okay, so I take the 117 as here. Okay, so this is the LCM HCF of number 51 comma 85. Okay, 17 is the answer for this question. Okay, can you understand this? Yes, let's go the next one. Okay, now let's see the third one, 61 comma 76. Here 61 is a prime number. Okay, so then this number only divide its number, okay, its table. Okay, 61th table it will be divide. Okay, so 161 is 61. Okay, next 76 comes in 2 tables, so 38 into 2 we get 76. 38 also divide in 2 tables, so 19 2s are 38. 19 is a prime number, so it comes only its table. Okay, so 19, 119 is 19. Okay, so take and write the factors. 1 into 16, 61 factor is 1 into 16, and 76 factors are given. So here what is the common number is here? 1. Okay, so 1 is a factor, common factor of the both numbers. Okay, therefore the HCF of these numbers are 1. Okay, so can you understand? Yes, go to the next one, 84 comma 120, as usual the same. Okay, so refer it. Okay, so next we see how can we find the number common factors for 3 numbers, 27, 45 and 81. So 27 comes in 3 table, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 1 3 is 3. Okay, go to next, 45 comes also in 5th table, 9 5s are 45, 9 comes in 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. 81 comes in 3 table, 27 into 3 81, and 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 1 3 is 3. Okay, so next we take and write the factors. Okay, so I am written the factors like that, and mark the common number from the three numbers. Okay, from the 3 prime factorizations. Okay, so 3 is a common number, and here also 3 is a common number. So from 3 we take only 1 3. Okay, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so this is the HCF of number given numbers. Okay, so go to the next question, also the same. Okay, so 45, 55, 95. Okay, so you need to refer this same method of the before sum. Okay, so this question finally we get the answer is number 5. Okay, the HCF of 45, 55 and 95 is number 5. Okay, dear students, today class is over. You need to write these sums in your classwork. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.